It's middle of May. I'm just going to plant some melons. This is one I grew from seed. It's called Minnesota Midget. Sowed the seeds in April inside, and then I've just grown them on the polytunnel bench. Now they're ready to plant out straight into the ground in the polytunnel. Melons will do better in an enclosed, in a sort of polytunnel or greenhouse, or a little mini greenhouse if you've got one. They need a bit of warmth. And this one produces very small fruits, sort of 4 to 5 inches in diameter, but very sweet, and hopefully numerous fruits. I can definitely recommend growing your own melons. You will have tasted nothing like it. They taste nothing like the ones in the shops. They are absolute nectar. So even if you only got one melon off a plant, it will be worth it. So I'm literally going to plant them straight in the ground. Some lovely roots on it. Get a little bit of water. I've put it against a cane, short cane, and I've got a string that goes up to the bars, and it'll wind the plant round as it grows. And maybe every week give it a feed of tomato feed, and hopefully we'll get lots of melon fruits.